This was supposed to be a video of me bragging on how I've had an amazing win streak trading gold of about 14 trades so far. And I was thinking that September was also going to be a month where I have zero losses. And the market decides to humble me this early by giving me a loss on Friday, which was the NFP day. I collected a loss on gold sell. I was trying to sell the market, and price decided that it wasn't ready for me. And I took a loss, and the whole team too took a loss. But regardless of that, we still came on top for the week, closing in profits, in strong profit. Same way we have been doing week after week after week since the very beginning of this channel, which was about close to 3 months ago. We have never had a single losing week, and this is still me kind of bragging, but
Oh my god! Wow!
I just felt like I was going to have a much longer winning streak. But regardless, it is what it is. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down all the trade we placed during the week, how we managed to come on top and secure our profit, the ones we could have held longer, the ones that we could have closed on time, and I'll also be explaining what I think will happen on the market this forthcoming week, what I'm looking for, and how to maximize and make a lot of money. This is a new week. I still want to maintain steez by running up the profit. So if you're new to the channel, give us a like, share, and subscribe to the page while we dive right in. And you want to join the Telegram, just click the link below. It's free. I always drop the exact time I'm entering the market and the exact time I'm leaving the market as well. So just click the link below and join us, and let's go straight to the chat. So our first trade for the week was on gold, and it was on Tuesday, the 3rd of September. And our first trade was a buy on gold. Initially, I was looking for entries around this level, yeah, to buy to the very top, but I didn't get the exact level I was looking for. And this was the structure I was looking at. And this was a very clean candle I saw on my left hand side, which I traded off. So I noticed that gold closed above this level, and I had to look at the structure closely for me to notice that price actually broke above the level. So if I zoom in a bit, you can see that I had a bullish close above this level. And you guys have been following me, you notice that the way I trade based on candles. Instead of structural retest, I use candle retest. So this was the candle retest I was waiting for after the break. I couldn't enter right at this level at the flip because the structure was not certain. This could be just a fake out for price to continue pushing downwards. So I needed a clear break for me to look for my buy. So I waited for price to break above the previous candle. And the moment I saw my break, I had to move my stop loss below the structure for price to drive. And that's how we secured some profits trading this one. And I think we got around 30 pip on this trade before we closed. I didn't know the exact points we entered it, but we managed to close the trade around 30 pip or 29, close to 39. I can't remember, but it was, I called it for 30 pip move. So this was the first trade we placed on Tuesday. So moving forward, we had like 2 trades on Wednesday because I noticed most of the time when I wake up, most of the people in my signals don't get up on time. It's not my fault. They're not early guys, but they should learn to get up early. But I got 2 trades. This was a beautiful sell on gold. This was a structure, very clean. This is like the A plus setup. This is the kind of trade I see, and I go like almost all out on it. This is like one of my best setup, and market just respected it fine and sweet. So this was the trade. I placed a sell stop below the structure after price closed bearish. So I waited for price to pull back and give me a candlestick retest. The moment I see the flip of candle, that's where I went for short because you can see that there are clean candles here, there are clean candles here, there are clean candles here. So I just waited for price to flip and I went on sell and price moved downwards, giving me around 34 pips. And I think I closed around 27. I can't remember when I closed, but I told the team to close full in a certain level, and that was it. And the second entry was when price closed below the structure, because I told them that if price should close below the structure, you can probably get another entry. And when price, this particular candle closed bearish, I placed a sell stop below the structure, but price never got activated because the candle never flipped and broke below this current low. So it went back, candle went back bullish, closing bullish, and the next one came back bearish. So I couldn't enter here. I needed candle to break the structure. So the moment I saw this candle flipping bearish, I think I placed a sell stop below the structure, and my stop loss was above its high. And that's how we got some profit off this one, which gave us 2 trades on Wednesday. And on Monday was bank holiday, so we couldn't get into any opportunities on Monday. So that's how we were able to avoid trading on Monday. On Thursday, we got a beautiful buys on gold. We got a beautiful buys on gold, and you can see it's always the same structure, always the same way I'm trading. I'm always looking at the market, the same thing. I always come to the market looking for the same exact entry, the exact patterns. I just want price to create a certain level of patterns for me so I can trade it. That's the only thing I come to the market every day looking for. So I saw price creating a level here, and you can see, let me take this out. Give me a second, let me take this out. So as you can see here, price has already closed bullish along this level. And looking at my left, I noticed that we have a structure on my left-hand side, and that was where I was looking to trade off from. And I wanted price to give me some kind of confirmation. So I know that the possibility of price coming down to retest was a bit slim, but I was okay if the candle can just come down a bit and flip bullish and break above. So I placed a buy stop when I saw price coming downward, and the retest was okay for me because it was almost a 20 pip retest. So I placed my buy stop above because I didn't want to move, because I didn't want to miss this move if price decided to drive, because this is basically the pre-London section, and this is where there's usually volume in the market. So I needed to maximize and make some money off this trade. And this was the structure I was looking at. I'm looking for price to just retest and come up to this level. And looking at it, it was basically a one-to-one, had about 20 pip stop loss, and the structure was like 30 pip. And that was the trade we placed, and we were able to secure around 23 or 20 something pip on it, but we were able to secure some profit on it. And what made me happy was when I saw people that took the trade share me some profit, telling me how my signal has been on point. Again, what I mean when you're trading very paid. So moving forward to the trade that gave me an L, which was my Friday trade, which was the last trade for the week, which I will enter anytime, any day of the time, regardless of the structure. Anytime I see this setup, I'll still enter it because it's the exact thing I trade every day on the market. So I simply just saw price. Since price was basically back at its all-time highs, this was basically like its all-time highs. So I didn't expect price to probably continue pushing back upward, since price was just consolidating and leaving a lot of weak rejections, candle rejections. So I just wanted price to give me confirmation that he wants to change his bias. But instead, price decided to fake me out, which was good. So I entered this trade. Price actually came up, gave me a retest before flipping bearish, and I saw around 6 pip, but I needed like 10 pip from the market before I closed, but I didn't get the 10 pip. I just saw around 6 or so. Then price reversed back, stopping us out. That's how we lost the trade, and that's how we're able to secure some profit. So you can see we had a couple of trades, about 4 or 5 or 6 trades, but we see happen to close in profits overall for the week, which is good. So I'm going to be going over this week, this new week, and showing us what I think will happen for the week. So first thing, I have to go to my Forex factory and bring that thing up. And you can see on Monday, basically have no red folder news. On Tuesday, we have a GPP news and a card news as well. On Wednesday, we have a GPP news. We have CPI. I wanted series USD news. On Thursday, we also have some couple of newses. We have PPI. So we have like two important news on Wednesday and on Thursday. And I also have a news channel just for news. So you can also join, click the link below to join just my news channel in case you're interested in trading just news. So I'll go over to my chart back, and the first thing I'll do, I'll clear up all the charts, everything. Then I'll go to my weekly time frame. Then we can break down the entire thing and see where price is and where it's likely to go. So let's go over to our monthly candle. So currently, this is our monthly candle. You can see that the current monthly candle is kind of indecisive. You can see where price is. And what I'm looking for is, I don't know what I'm looking for, but let's see how it goes. Looking at the structure, price is very bullish. You can see price has been trending upward. This is just price creating all-time highs upon all-time highs, which is good. So what we'll go over to our weekly and see what price is printing on our weekly time frame. So looking at the weekly time frame, we already have a level of resistance. Price has created a level of resistance. You can see a bullish candle, a bearish candle, and we currently have a bearish candle as well, which closed kind of indecisive, but we have a bit of bearish body on it. So we can anticipate price to kind of come down a bit before moving upward, but we don't know. We just trade based on what we see at that exact time. So going to the daily time frame, you can see that price is clearly ranging from this level. Price is currently ranging from price is currently ranging from 2563 500 to around 2481 400. So that's basically the range where price is ranging from. You can see this range. Price has been printing bulls and bear candles. So you can see that for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For the past 16 days, we have basically been trading the range. This is what price is actually telling us right here. So if we go over to the 4-hour time frame, we can see on the 4-hour time frame that price came down here, created a fake out, but it was a retest. You can see we have multiple break and retest here. You can see price coming to retest the structure before pushing back up, coming to retest here, push back up here again, push back up, and price is most likely coming back to retest or just being in the range. So what I'm going to tell you, or what I'm going to do if I want to trade this level, is first of all, in the 4-hour time frame, or sorry, the 1-hour time frame, I have a level of support here which price broke above. Price has also created a new level of support around here. You can see this is support level around here. So I can just say that I want price to create some new levels of support or resistance and give me a range where I can trade off. So if price can come back up here and create a level of support or resistance, and I see a structure, I'll trade it, which I'll always update you guys on what I'm seeing because I'm scalping. So I can just say that this is what price will go, this is what price will do. After I see what price is doing that exact time, then I'll respond to that structure at that point in time to know the bias of the market. But for now, I can just tell you what I'm seeing. Price is currently consolidating, and anybody saying that price is bullish or bearish, person is wrong. Price is obviously consolidating on the higher time frame. Gold is moving sideways, but overall, the overall trend is bullish. But for the past few days, gold has been ranging. You can only see a clear bias when price break below this two structure. This is where price has to break before you can see a clear structure. But for now, gold is ranging and we're trading in between the range. So anything I see coming, I'll let you guys know that this is exactly what I see in the market and this is what I'm going to trade. See you guys in the next one. And don't forget to like if you find this video being helpful, and subscribe to the page and share as well, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on great videos. See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed and stay profitable. Peace.